Alright, so I started soldering, and I'm sorry, but the filming didn't start. So I'm filming now, but I'm probably going to fast forward this because it's going to be boring to watch you guys, or for you guys to watch me solder this whole thing. Um, but like I said, I'm probably going to fast forward through this just so that you can see what I'm doing. I'll put the zinc frame on last. Sometimes I do it first, sometimes I do it last. This time I wanted to do it last because of the hanging hardware I'm going to try and use. But anyhow, I'll get off my step stool because I'm way up high so that this is getting the whole picture. And I'll probably turn my radio back on, which means when it's fast forwarded, I'll have to take the sound off. Or not. Okay, well, somehow I lost the film of me doing the rest of the soldering, and I patinaed it, so I apologize for that, but there it is done. Thank you for all your time and watching my videos. I appreciate the comments. Please take time to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.